Hello everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome. I hope you are well and you are doing well. You will be doing well. In this video we are going to talk about what are you doing and how you can do in your life. My dear friends, if you want to do well in your life, if you are a learner, if you think that we are coming at this point before in which point we are getting speak, I don't know that why that word are repeating in my mind. Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I'm Sandeep and most welcome. I hope you will be well and you are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about if you want to learn, if you want to improve, if you think that what and how you can do well in your life. If you think that, and if you are watching a lot of people at YouTube, at social media, I think something will be come as term who will change your life. If you are watching someone as who is well to you, if you want to do well, you have to watch lot of people how they are doing and what they are thinking and what they want to do in his life. My dear friend, if you are if we be not meeting, if we be not considering how we have to develop ourselves and how we have to do well in my life, I think we can watch lot of people, he is watching, he is doing well, and we take some ideas, some inspiration of that person. If we want to do in my life, if you think that if you are doing something you and you demotivate at this task, I am not getting well, we must live at this work, how we can do well. So lot of things come in your mind and your mind will be process taking your task, and you are hopeless at this task, you cannot gain well. My dear friends, there is no one to do well in his life, but if you are doing continue work for your purpose in your life, I think that you can change one day who you want to achieve in your life, my dear friends. Because if we are doing something, we take some ideas, we take lot of experience of my work who we are doing. We must not forget at this task. Only if we are working, taking of my work, if we are doing some mistake, if we are thinking it is totally wrong, but when we consider that point, we can find something well of that work. Because if you would see your past, you have to meet some moment as who he will provide to you, he will give lot of motivate to you that situation and that days is well as days, you must know that at this time. And if you want to achieve something well, you have to do, you have to give time at yourself, at your ideology, at your work, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you are a learner, if you are thinking only you are the most unlucky person in the world, it's not right for you. Lot of people you can watch, they are struggling of his ambition, of his work, they want to do well, but they cannot getting reach their ambition. Why? My dear friends, I think that somewhere and sometime we are doing wrong and we cannot reach there how we can do amendment of my work, but we are thinking only in our mind. If we are not gaining well, two, we must leave this work it is not we can do, I'm not capable to do. Why? And as type come in your mind. If you are doing, if you want to do well in your life, you have to give lot of time, lot of patience, you have to keep, you have to think lot of us taking your ambition in your life. You must know that if you want to achieve something well, if you want to do something well in your life, you must know that at the start. And nowadays where you are going and in which type people you are meeting, you are met lot of effect add to you, you must know that at this time. If you if you want to live all the positive, what you must do and how you can do in your life. My dear friends, you have lot of resources, you have social media, you can watch, and also you are wasting your time watching watching at the social media platform. Also I am as, but when we are thinking taking of my future, I am serious at this talk what I will do in my life and how we can do well, can I succeed, and can I will play a best role in my life. When we are thinking as, so you must think taking for your goal, taking for your ambition, and I hope you can change everything who are you facing nowadays. And you must know that at this talk, if you want to do well, you have to give lot of time and do work. Till that you cannot break, you cannot reach their place, and I hope you will achieve who you want in your life. You must do work at yourself lot of us, and I don't know that after some time what we are and what we are getting to speak and what we must speak in my video, but when we are thinking about myself taking and put up of my phone and making video for you. So because I am hoping something with to you. And my dear friends, if you are watching to me, you can keep your thoughts in the comment section and you can support to me lot of us if you are capable to give help me. So thank you and love you all of you. If you are watching first time, you can subscribe to me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.